So Bitcoin Chief is about to launch the Onije Motors, and guess who he brought on board? He brought in the biggest ego of Nollywood, yeah, Nkemo, aka Osofia. In fact, so many things happened. They did a lot trying to introduce this brand. This was the shooting of the promotion shooting for this particular company, and of course, Osofia, who recently turned 70 years old, is still soaring in the sky like the eagle. And a lot of people have also wondered, how exactly does Bitcoin Chief get his ideas? Just keep watching the video. You'll see some of the things that this man has been able to do in recent time to promote productivity in the Southeast. Yeah, this video you see here is not a marriage ceremony. This is not wedding or traditional marriage. This is about the introduction of the Onije Motors. And here you can see Bitcoin Chief, you can see Osofia. I'm so happy that Osofia is so healthy, so strong. He's able to stand and dance even after 70. This is all we pray for as humans, and I'm proud to see this happening today. So Bitcoin Chief has done so many things in the Southeast, or for the people of the Southeast. Some of the things he did last year that has surprised a lot of people. Please don't get this wrong. This is not a marriage ceremony. This is all about the Onije Motors. Just keep watching. So one of the things he did last year, look at his brand. So he actually, according to him, he gave this company, the person who brought that idea, the sum of $100,000 last year. He invested into the brand and to expand their production. And according to him yesterday, he was reporting that these guys are doing massive numbers. So if you see any of this kind of product, these are the people you should patronize, because these are the people who are providing jobs for people within the community, within the Southeast. Bitcoin Chief is spotlighting the Southeast. He has invested millions and millions of, or if not billions of naira, into trying to showcase how productive, how profitable investing in the Southeast can be to other Southeast capable men. And this year he came back and he has been trying to prove it to the people. You can invest into media, you can invest into entertainment, you can invest into transport, you can invest into agriculture. He has recently invested in Ohaneze Farm, which is currently running, and he's also building the Tech City Africa. He's doing a whole lot. You can barely count the things he's doing or he has done. And he recently announced that this year he's going to be giving 20 million naira he's going to be giving 20 million naira to people, to Southeast people every month. I don't know how many people, I've forgotten how many people he mentioned, but he's going to be giving them 20 million naira each as investment into their business ideas. Yes, this is what he said, and he said it I think yesterday. And whenever he says something, you'd see him start doing it immediately. He recently initiated rebuilding the Southeast schools in rural areas, rural communities, and then they are raising the funds within X, formerly Twitter, and the funds that are being raised is immediately being utilized in renovating schools across the Southeast. They've renovated one school successfully in what's the name of this, in Ebonyi State, and he donates almost, I think, about more than 5 million naira, if not more, to this particular project every month. I don't know exactly how this guy does this, but I tell you for good, this is an exemplary personality for the Southeast. God bless you, sir.